Due to recent system upgrades, the navigation to the budget and reporting tools has changed. Here are the new navigation instructions. After logging in to PantherSoft Financial, click on the Employee Self-Service located in the upper side of the page. Click on Budget Development. Now you are in the home page where all the necessary tools to develop your budgets are located. To run reports, click on Envision on the left-hand side of the page. You have access to Define Reports Request, where you can run the reports, Report Manager, where you can download the report when it's ready. To go back to the Budget Development homepage, you may click on Budget Development link in the upper left-hand corner. To run a query, click on Query Tools and run your query. As previously mentioned, to go back to the Budget Development homepage, you may click on the Budget Development link in the upper left-hand corner. Finally, yet importantly, to review and edit your budgets, click on the Budget tools. Here, you can access the following tools: the Position Budget, the Transfer In/Out, the DSO Reimbursement, and the Detail Budget Maintenance. Following are the instructions on how to use the tool you have selected. The Salary Forecast tool is a downloadable Envision report, also known as the FC report, populated with the salary, benefits, and encumbrance amounts by filled positions. You can run and save your activities Salary Forecast tool onto your network, then validate the forecast of permanent positions and bi-weekly temporary positions for the remaining 4 months of the current year. The Salary Forecast tool can also be used to calculate incremental changes such as new hires, salary changes, or separations through the end of the fiscal year. Note, changes made in the Salary Forecast tool must be entered into the forecast amount column within the Detailed Budget Maintenance page. The spreadsheet does not automatically update the Detailed Budget Maintenance page. To run the FC report, navigate to the main menu, Reporting Tools. In the PS Envision folder, click on Define Report Request link. Here on the Report Request page, type in FIU01 for all operating funds or FIU02 for FIU Foundation. In the Report ID field, enter FC and the first 6 digits of the org number. Click Search. On the Define Report Request page, make sure you update the following. Verify the layout. For this, you can copy the layout name before the year. Click on the lookup icon. Paste the layout name on the Envision Layout search box and click Lookup. Verify the As of Date field, the last date of the current year. Click on the Scope and Delivery Template link to open the Envision web output screen and type in the 10-digit activity number, if it isn't already correctly pre-populated in the Report Scope field. Then click OK. Click the Save button, then click Run Report button. This will launch the Process Scheduler request screen. Select PS&T in the server name field and click OK to return to the N-Vision Report request screen. To open the FC report, click the Report Manager link in the margin. Click the Administration tab. Once your report has run and appears as posted, hold down the Control key while clicking on the report hyperlink. This will download the report to your computer. Save the FC report to your network before proceeding to manipulate the data. Save using format XLSM, which is Macro Enabled Workbook. A security warning will appear below the menu bar. Click on Option button and enable this content. Add-ins will appear at the end of the menu bar. This will allow macros to run in the spreadsheet. The worksheet will open to the Report tab. This tab is for review purposes only and contains historical data for 8 months of activity, as well as the adjusted budget and encumbrances. There is additional data such as actuals by month by account, 4 months forecast by month, and accounts that has already been entered into the detailed budget maintenance, current fiscal year's annual adjusted budget and annual original budget, and prior fiscal year actuals. To forecast for your salary accounts, now you can review the Salary Summary tab. This tab is not linked to the Report tab. It will give you a summary of all your salary accounts. On the far right column, you can see the summary of salary categories and actuals for periods 1 through 8 in the column that says March through June. There you will see a lump sum of salary encumbrances for periods 9 through 12. To edit or review your current salary category, you would link or click on the tab that corresponds to the group of employees whose position you wish to validate or modify. Click on Add-ins on the menu bar and choose the button that says Copy. A line will appear at the bottom with required input cells highlighted in yellow. Copy the information of an existing employee or position whose rate or FTE is changing. Employee ID, last name, and first name. Enter the amount of the increase or decrease in pay in the annual allocated amount field. Benefits will automatically be calculated according to the employee type. Input the start date that corresponds to the rate or FTE change of the employee or position. Notice the salary encumbrances numbers change and will be updated in the Salary Summary tab. Since the changes made to this worksheet will not be automatically generated to PantherSoft, now log in into PantherSoft Financials, navigate to the main menu, click on FIU Budget Processes, Detailed Budget Maintenance page. In the Business Unit field, enter FIU01 for all operating funds or FIU02 for FIU Foundation. In the Ledger field, enter Actual, then click on the Search button. On the Chart Field Criteria screen, enter the current in the Fiscal Year field. Type the activity number in the Activity Number field. Click on the Query link to proceed to the following screen. Copy changes made to the FC report to Detailed Budget Maintenance. Enter the new amounts calculated for salaries and benefits from the FC report to each type of accounts in the Detailed Budget Maintenance page. Click on the link for the account to be changed. The Detailed Budget Maintenance page displays every month from period 1 through period 8 as read-only, since these are actuals and therefore could not be changed. Enter the new amounts calculated for salaries and benefits for each type of account from the tab Salary Summary in the column Forecast March through June. Once you have entered and saved all of your updates, you can rerun the FC report and you will see all your updated reflected in the Report tab. This concludes how to run and work with the FC report.